Bula Vinaka, Fiji. Today marks a significant day for the disability sector in Fiji and around the globe, as we celebrate the International Day of Persons Living with Disabilities. It is a United Nations Day that is celebrated annually on 3rd of December with the theme for 2021 as, I quote, "Leadership and Participation of Persons with Disabilities Towards an Inclusive, Accessible and Sustainable Post-COVID-19 World," unquote. This is an annual occasion designated for all disability stakeholders, including disability carers, families, and friends, to join together in raising awareness of the importance of creating a future where people with disabilities experience equal opportunities and face no barriers in all the aspects of lives, whether it be going about their day-to-day lives with adequate accessibility in their communities, joining the workforce, or being able to showcase their abilities and reach their goals without facing any barriers. About 113,595 Fijians live with some form of disability. Therefore, it is important to understand the rights of persons with disabilities and work together with our disability partners, service providers, and stakeholders in addressing issues regarding persons living with disabilities. The Fijian government has shown its commitment towards an inclusive, barrier-free and right-based society for persons with disabilities. This is evident under Section 42 of the 2013 Fijian Constitution, highlighting the rights of persons living with disabilities. Fiji has ratified the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, and we strengthen our domestic commitment by enacting the Rights of Persons with Disability Act. As Fijians, we can be proud of the legal platform for the rights of persons living with disabilities. COVID-19 has created a human crisis of unprecedented scale, which is disproportionately impacting people with disabilities. These challenging times require partnerships, pledges, and compassion like never before. It is our responsibility as a nation to hold hands with the government and stakeholders in this sector to advocate and raise awareness for persons living with disabilities. Thank you, Vinaka Vakalevu, and Dhanyawad.